hour. Time for the full forecast with Warren Dean. Some people surprised by the snow today, but not really by the rain. We knew this was coming.
Yeah, we've seen this for a couple of days, a very big system building over the last little bit, and it's a very slow-moving system. We're going to show you everything coming up. Just give you a city shot there, and the current temperature 8 degrees, which is well below seasonal. And yes, it looks a little dreary out there. We've got those low-hanging clouds, and they are dumping a lot of rain on us, and that's only going to continue. Now, we're almost done with this first little wave, but it's the first little wave. So you can see earlier it's breaking up nicely now, but we did have a lot of snow, 10 to 15 centimeters. Snowfall warnings in effect along the foothills, Turner Valley, Bragg Creek, seeing a lot of that. So as I said, it's breaking up a little bit now. And then we have our heavier rains, which is just moving north of the city now. So a little bit of a break there. We're still getting a lot of shower activity, but the heavier rains now moving to the north. But a big system, as you can see, very far reaching. And we kind of went into a transition where we went from winter straight into summer with high temperatures and very dry conditions. So this rain is very, very welcome, not only for your gardens, for your lawns, but the forest fire situation as well. So we needed the rain, and now we're getting it in a big, big shot. 80 to 100 millimeters. This is through Saturday. So we're going to see showers continue right through off and on this evening into tomorrow morning, most of the day tomorrow, right through into Friday night, and then again off and on Saturday, breaking up nicely late Saturday afternoon, early evening hours. And there you see in the green, that's rainfall warnings, and then in the white, in May, snowfall warnings, 10 to 15 centimeters in those areas. But again, you want to be conscious of it because of the travel conditions. It did wreak havoc on some of the roadways. And there you can see this whole system. So all the way down to Billings, Montana, that patch of rain going to move its way up along this cold front. And usually we have things moving right in from the west. This low is moving very slowly. It's plodding along, and it's not going very fast, and it's very large. So it's going to move up this way, and that means it's going to bring back all this rain and cycle it back through once again. So we're going to get a couple of waves of this right through until Saturday afternoon. So that's why these accumulations are so large, and we remain under a rainfall warning. And again, it's at 80 to 100 millimeters of rain. So as we roll through this, you take a look at what we're dealing with right now. So into tomorrow, still getting more into tomorrow morning. So you're going to start your day off with the umbrella and the warmer clothing right through the day into the evening hours. And then we're going to see it slowly start to break up Saturday afternoon. By the time Sunday morning rolls around, you see that spin taking it to the northern section of the province. Edmonton's going to see some of that, and we get a break. Temperatures remain cool right through into Sunday, where we'll pop back up once again, but showers remain Friday and Saturday. Sunday, we get a nice breakage with some sunshine, chance of showers again on Monday, and then back to seasonal conditions, much warmer temperatures coming up through the mid and end of next week.
Looking better. Thanks, Mark.
Much better.
Well, the rain is helping firefighters who are tackling another wildfire in central Alberta. But the situation is still out of control, and evacuees are not yet allowed to go home. We'll show you what's happening near Lindale, Alberta, coming up at 5:30. And a very popular bridge that has a very personal connection to some people in Edmonton. Up next, how a bright idea is helping raise money to light up the massive structure.